Two frames we're going to talk about today are sunglasses made by a company called Oliver Peoples. This is two of their metal lines, the Benedict and the Coleridge Summit. If you need parts for your Oliver Peoples frames, All American Eyeglass Repair can help you. Let's talk about the Coleridge Summit. You can see the nice, sleek design that you always get with Oliver Peoples frames on here too. This part here that goes over the ear is called a temple. And there are times where they'll actually break up in this corner, or you actually have that break off and you lose that piece. You do not have to buy a new pair of Oliver Peoples. At All American Eyeglass Repair, we will just either have this in stock or can get the replacement temple on the Coleridge Summit. And then the second frame on here, more popular frame, is the Benedict frame. You look at it, a little bit of an aviator type of design. The Benedict frame comes in several different colors of lenses and chassis frames, and the same thing too. The temple has a unique setup where it will open and close if that piece breaks off or needs to be replaced. Your lenses get scratched, need to be replaced. All American Eyeglass Repair can help you. So if you have a pair of Oliver Peoples eyeglasses, specifically sunglasses, and need help replacing parts, lenses, or temples, please contact All American Eyeglass Repair. We would love to help you with your Oliver Peoples, Benedict, or Coleridge sun frame.